What if your entire home stayed powered without gas, noise, or worry? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 best 2,000-watt solar generators that bring unstoppable energy wherever you need it. Welcome to the channel. All product links are in the description. Let's power your peace of mind together. The number 5 product on our list is Anker SOLIX C1000 Solar Generator. What if your backup power could hit 80% in just 43 minutes? The Anker SOLIX C1000 delivers exactly that with ultra-fast recharging and a full charge in under an hour. Designed for serious reliability, its LiFePO4 battery promises over 3,000 cycles and a lifespan of 10 years. With 2,400-watt surge output and 11 versatile ports, it powers everything from kitchen essentials to outdoor gear effortlessly. It's also solar-ready, charging in just 1.8 hours using up to 600-watt input. Weighing less and taking up less space than most 1 kg units, it's tailor-made for RVs and camping. Remote control via the Anker app adds modern convenience, while its quiet, efficient design makes it a stress-free companion during power outages. This model truly balances fast performance with dependable engineering. For anyone needing quick, portable, and long-lasting energy, this one is built to impress, tested in real-world conditions, and absolutely worth considering. Number 4 is Jackery Explorer 2000 V2 Solar Generator. Imagine carrying over 2,000 watt of clean, quiet power in a unit lighter than most coolers. That's what the Jackery Explorer 2000 V2 brings to the table. Whether you're camping in the wild or need emergency backup at home, its 2,042 watt capacity and 2,200 watt output delivers serious performance. The build feels solid, yet it's 41% lighter and 34% smaller than many others in its class. You can charge it to 80% in just over an hour, or go whisper quiet mode at only 30 dB. It runs a fridge, laptop, and even power tools without breaking a sweat. With over 10 years of battery life, this power station feels like an investment in freedom and peace of mind. If you've struggled with bulky units or loud gas generators, this changes everything. It's a top contender for anyone looking for compact, quiet, and long-lasting portable energy. The third one on our list is BLUETTI AC70P Solar Generator. Most people assume that portable solar generators with serious output are bulky or noisy, but the BLUETTI AC70P flips that idea on its head. Compact yet mighty, this unit pushes out 1,000 watt continuously with a peak surge of 2,000 watt, easily handling your everyday appliances on the road or during outages. With its 864 Y capacity, it's not built for whole house backup, but it excels in mobility, speed, and smart control, charging from 0 to full in just 1.5 hours with AC or via solar in under a day. It offers real freedom off-grid. The app control adds a layer of convenience most units in this range lack. It's perfect for weekend travelers, car campers, or as a secondary emergency power source. If you're hunting for smart, efficient, and quiet energy that won't weigh you down, this is a confident choice. Lightweight, fast, and dependable. It just works. On number 2 is BLUETTI AC180 Solar Generator. Most backup systems struggle when power outages hit hard, but the BLUETTI AC180 proves that size doesn't limit strength. With a solid 1,800 watt output and the ability to surge up to 2,700 watt, this compact beast keeps your essentials running smoothly. From fridges to power tools, its 1,152 watt capacity paired with ultra-fast 1440 watt AC charging delivers a full battery in just an hour. For outdoor lovers and emergency preppers alike, that's a serious win. What truly impressed me was the solar charging option. 500 watt solar input that recharges in under 4 hours. It's a smart blend of speed, sustainability, and security. You'll also appreciate its built-in UPS feature that seamlessly kicks in during blackouts within 20 milliseconds. We've tested plenty of models in this range, and this one stands out for its real-world reliability. It's the peace of mind generator every prepared household should consider. Now, moving to the last one is ECOFLOW Delta 2 Solar Generator. What if you could recharge 80% of your power station faster than your phone? The ECOFLOW Delta 2 turns that into reality. Just 50 minutes on AC and you're ready for action. That alone sets it apart in the crowded world of portable power. But There's more. With a base 1024 watt capability expandable to 3K, it adapts to your lifestyle, whether you're camping off-grid or bracing for blackouts. It effortlessly handles 1800 watt output and up to 15 devices at once, covering everything from your fridge to your CPAP. No noise, no fumes, just reliable, clean energy with 500 watts solar input capability. Its LFP battery chemistry and 3,000 plus cycles give peace of mind that it's built to last, not just perform. Compared to others in its league, this unit stands firm with real power, smart safety, and impressive versatility. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about long-term energy freedom. Winner among them, the EcoFlow Delta 2 delivers unmatched speed, durability, and versatility. Your smartest choice for dependable solar power. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best 2,000 watt solar generator. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.